Today we will discuss prime numbers, like how many ways TCS can ask. We will discuss all the ways, and first we will do with basic problem like basic prime number problem, and next we will see print all prime numbers between n and m from 10 to 20 all prime numbers, and next we will discuss print all prime numbers between n and m, print like that indexes means we'll print 10 to 20, 0 to 4th index, 11, 13, 17, 19. I want to print first index and third index like that. We'll print that out. Okay. Next question. Print all prime numbers between n and m where sum of digits also prime. Means we'll in 10 to 30 we'll take some numbers like 11, 13 like that. Means 11, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 is also prime. So we will add that number. 2 plus 3. It is also prime. Okay, we will add. 3 plus 1. Not a prime number. Means 4. It is not a prime number. So we will not add. Okay. Next. For the range of n to m, find the count, sum and largest number. Means from 10 to 20, we want to count how many prime numbers are there, and we want to sum all the prime numbers, and we want to find largest prime number. Here three problems will be covered. Okay. And next we will discuss the most important problem, like in TCS way we can ask twin prime check. Means the input is 11, 13, the difference is 2, so it's a twin prime. Okay, we will discuss this problem, and we will discuss some other stuff like same problem, print all prime numbers between n and m. Like input we will take as string input. Okay. Okay, let's start with first problem. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. Okay, check given prime number is prime or not. Okay, first we take in scanner class. Okay, next int n equal to sc dot next int for input. Okay, next if n less than or equal to 1, means if we take in the number as, like we'll take an example of I given number 13. Okay, we'll take 13 only. 13. Yeah, 13. 13 less than or equal to 1. No, for not the condition is not true, so it will not execute if condition. Next it will go to for loop, int I equal to 2, I less than math dot square root of n, means square root of 13. Square root of 13 means 3. It will check up to third index, means it will check 2 comma 3. Okay, means we will take any question like any multiple, like if you take 15, it, okay, we'll take easy one like 16. Square root of 16 is, square root of 16 is 4. We will get at least one divisor between 4, means 1. Okay, don't consider 1, we'll take 2, it was came, and 4 like that. We'll take some other example also, like we will take 9. Okay, 9. Square root of 3. Square root of 9 means square root of 9 equal to 3. Yeah, 1, and we have 3. We don't consider 1. Okay, we have 3. At least 1 we have. So we'll do. Okay, like here we will first 13 modulus of 2 not equal to 0. This condition is not execute. Next 13 modulus of 3. This condition also false, so it will not execute. It will return true. Means return true means if condition is true, so it will print prime number. Okay, let's see. Sorry. Yeah, we have starting trouble. I want console. For that I will take some. Okay, wait a second, no worries, we will discuss now. Okay, yeah, the console is here. Let me check. 13, yeah, it's a prime, and you can take 5, it's a prime, and you can take 10, it's a not a prime. Okay, did you understand this logic? Using this logic only we'll solve all types of problems. Okay, please carefully observe this logic. Okay, based on this only we will solve all the problems. We will do some little changes. Okay, yeah, let's start TCS problems. Like print all prime numbers between n and m. Okay, what change we will do in this code? Can you guess? Yeah, here it is. Here you can see, here the same logic applies. Okay, nothing will change here. The only logic will change here only. Like we will take int n equal to sc dot next for n input, and m input we take int m equal to sc dot next int, and it will take the input as 10, we will take it as 20, and from 10th index to up to 20 index, yeah, the for loop will run, and first it will come 10 is prime 10, and this condition will check. If it is prime it will return and it will print 10, otherwise it will not print. And next it will take 11, it will take 11, it will go to this loop and check it is prime, yeah it is prime, so it will print 11. And next it will take 12, if it is prime it will print, it is not prime it will not print. And next it will take 13, yeah 13 is prime, so it will print. Like this same logic you see here, you see in here. Okay, the change is we taken for loop here and starting from nth index to mth index. Okay, you can see the code carefully you can understand. Okay, we will run it. Yeah, we will take the input as 5 and output as n input as m, 5 and 15, 5 7 11 13. Okay, you can observe here. Okay, seen carefully. We'll go to the next code. Yeah, this is also one more interesting problem. Here the logic is same, no change in this code, only change is here only. Okay, yeah, same code here like this only, but here we printed, here we will add all elements to our list. Okay, okay, here all elements we will add to our list, means list dot add means if I print from 11 to 13, okay 5 to 15 we can take the input, these all elements will add to here. 5 okay, 1 second, 5 7 11 13. Okay, in these indexes I want first index and third index to print. Okay, did you understand the logic? I want to, in this I want second index, first index and third index to print, so we'll add all elements to list and we'll print list dot get of first element and list dot get of third element. Okay, if it is less than 3 means it will go to else condition and it is print -1. Okay, here the same logic you can see, only here the logic is changed. Okay, we'll run it, we'll take same as 5 13, you can see output is 7 and 13. Okay, see the code and we will move to the next code. Yeah, okay, yeah, here we will get some little stuff here. Okay, taken many elements, print all numbers. Okay, 1 second, wait a second, okay, here it is, this code is, yeah, print all numbers between n and m, sum of digits is prime. Okay, here the logic is same. Okay, here the logic is same, we did not change. We'll take in one more extra method, what it will do we will discuss. And here it is same, it will traverse from n to m and it will print if the output is, if the if condition is true it will print all elements. Means what conditions it want to satisfy me, first the element should be prime, means 11 is prime. And if the sum of elements means 1 plus 1 equal to 2, that element would be also prime, then only it will print the output. Okay, 11. Okay, for to check the prime number or not, we will use this logic, and we will want to sum that prime number, we will take in this logic, like int sum equal to 0. Actually sum is 0, and we will take like n value is 11, n value is 11, and first 11 modulus of 10 means sum equal, it will come output as 1, means sum equal to 1. Okay, next 1 modulus, okay, we will here we will eliminate 11 by 10 means equal to 1, and the n value is 1 now. 1 modulus of 10, 1 modulus of 10 means 1. Okay, sum equal, sum actually 1 plus equal to 1 means sum actually 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, and it will eliminate 1 by 10 means it will come 0. Okay, so sum is 2, we will return this sum to this, means is prime 2. It will check, it will go to here and it will execute, means n less than or equal to 1, no. So it will go to for loop and check the condition is true, it will return the value. Okay, once carefully see the code, and we'll run the code and we'll move to the next code. Okay, okay, I'm running the code, and 10 to 20, yeah, only 11. We'll run from 10 to 40, 10 to 40. Okay, 11, 23, 29. You can see 1 plus 1, 2 prime number, 2 plus 3, 5 prime number, 9 plus 2, 11 prime number. Okay, we will take 10 to 50, 10 to 50. Okay, 11, we already see 2, 5, 13, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 4 plus 7, 11. Okay, carefully observe, we only changed this one only, this is also small basic code. Okay, we'll move to the next code. Yeah, this is simple code only, no worries, we did not change same logic here. You can see we just taken int count variable in place of system.out.println of I, we will just count the elements, and in place we will add the sum, means sum of all elements of I, and largest equal to I, means the last number we will store here. Okay, after traversal the last number will be stored here, the last number only, no, largest number, so we'll get output as, we'll get the last number as output here. Okay, once we will run the code and see the output, 10, 20, 4, count is 4, 4 elements are there, 11, 13, 17, 19. Okay, and the output, the sum is 60, and the largest number is 19. Okay, these are the codes, and you can see here. And next we'll discuss some interesting problem, it is twin prime. Yeah, the same logic here and nothing different here. We already seen here is prime of n. We did not want for loop because we just want to check it is prime or not, means first we will take the input n11 and m13. Okay, is prime n, means it will take 11 input and it will check condition, it will return true, and is prime 13, it will return true. Okay, and next, and n minus m, 11 minus 13 minus 2 means absolute, means this will give the absolute value, means 2, 2 equal to 2, so the condition is true, it will return true, so it will print twin prime. Okay, we'll run the code, 11, 13 twin prime. If you given any other output like 11 also prime and 17 also prime, but we'll get not twin prime. Okay, the difference should be 2. 13 minus 11, the difference is 2. You can see here, and you can see the logic here. We'll move to the next code. Means all logics are we covered, and we take some other stuff also. So like if they want to, in the compiler they given a string input, so that's why we already seen in our first video how to do this. If you did not visit that video, go and visit that video. It's about 10 to 15 minutes video. We covered 2 questions. Okay, here the string input equal to sc dot next line. We remove input dot replace. Will first replace method will remove this one, and second replace method will remove this one, and we will split by comma, means 13 comma 17. 13 and 17 it will store. At first index it will store 13, and second index it will store 17, like 13 and 17. Using integer dot parseInt method, string will convert to integer. Okay, the same logic here. Int n equal to 13 and less than. Here is the same logic, just we want to change here. Okay, once we will check. We'll take 13 comma 17. Okay, 13 17. Okay, next we will take as 10 comma 20. You can see we will take in both ways input, like string input only. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We will see more videos tomorrow.